It does come on and blow. It just blows warm air. So we heard the fan start immediately. Thought I heard the death buzz coming out of one of these. Sounds like it's the Goodman. I heard the compressor try to start. Yep. So, yes. Just right off the bat and guess that this thing has eaten a cheap capacitor. And if that's not the problem, and that could be bad news, it could be something more expensive. 35 plus 7.5. Alright, so we got the meter on microfarads. We're going to go from common to hermetic. That's not good. We'll go from common to fan. Totally dead. That's useless. Looks like they're going to get lucky today. Let's go get one. Alright, so what I'm doing on capacitors right now until I run out is I'm offering both. Offering the import, which is a good bit cheaper, and offering the made in USA. So they have chosen to go the cheaper route. I don't disagree that the Goodman unit might not last forever anyway. All right, and the new one is 7.38 on the fan and 34.45 on the hermetic, and it is made in China. So we're going to have to change the bracket. I keep a bunch of these brackets in the van, so we'll just throw that one away. I'm going to mount this bracket in here. Just like we've done 100 or so times. And pretty soon I'll be out of these imports, and I'm not going to buy any more of them. I just met our buddy Ralph up at Ferguson a couple days ago. I think it was, might have been Friday, or actually maybe that was Monday. But anyway, and bought another big box full of the USAs. They give us a pretty good deal on them there. They're Mars, made in USA. All right, so we got the bracket, got it mounted. and mounted it to where you can see the sticker. Just a little bit of courtesy for the next guy. Yellow is hermetic, of course. Brown is fan. And then there were two of them on the common. One of them was red. And these are all still fitting tight, believe it or not. I'm not gonna have to adjust or fool with any of them. Purple. Okay, so it should start up. Contactor's been in the whole time. You can probably hear it buzzing. So let's see what happens. So I was just about to put the cover on and noticed that whoever was in here last left these wires unbundled. And when I started looking at it, this one popped off really easy. Now it goes on tight. So anyway, this is cheap. This is probably, what, 10 cents, if that. Just kind of clean it up a little bit. Something that you ought to do. Which that really doesn't cost you anything but 30 seconds and a dime. But as I've said before, it doesn't take but just another minute or less to neaten up something a little bit, then you know it's just something you can do and can feel like you're a better tech for it. Some of these machines are a little bit rickety. Ask them if they want us to do anything else, if they want it serviced, if they want the refrigerant checked, or if they just want it fixed and back like it was. So alright, so I did hear both components start. It is running and starting to warm up as far as the air coming out of the top. So that's good news. At least there's no major component damage. So let's find out what all they want done while we're here, and we'll offer to clean this thing and check the refrigerant, top it off if needed, or whatever else we can find. See what they say. Okay, so they did ask us to go ahead and just take a look at everything and see what it needs. Definitely a little bit low on refrigerant, and we're going to leave this one alone, the pain. Alright, and as you can see, it was R22. load. Shoot some in it. And it's only about 65 degrees today, so it won't be real high, but we'll see where we can get it. A little bit slow to take it in. Take it a few minutes. It's a little cool today. I looked, it's actually 63 degrees. So seeing as how I know it's got a leak somewhere, I don't mind having it a tad on the high side, but as long as I got it over 60 on the suction, I'll leave it. We'll leave it right there. I'm not going to bother to calculate anything and get the other gauges out here and measure superheat or any of that. It's just not worth it in my opinion. This old Goodman's still running. Let's just let her eat and see how long she goes. So let's get everything unhooked here. All right. Make sure these things are snug. Give them a couple of new caps to hopefully keep it clean. One of the caps was missing an O-ring. Usually stick those new ones on there whenever we put refrigerant in one. So, should be all right now. See what we're getting. Just a quick surface to surface delta T. That's not completely accurate, but it will tell us, you know, something about what's going on. Okay, so I was noticing walking back to my van, we got some artists here. Nice looking butterfly, rainbow. We will never run out of love. I wonder if they can say the same thing for the other supplies that they have in the grocery store. So the kids were out here having some old-fashioned fun. Up there it says mom, or it might say wow if you're on the other side of it. Looks pretty good for kids. I would say that's girls. Boys are not usually that artistic and don't write that well. So anyway, we did exactly what the customer wanted here. Got the dog barking at us up in the window there now. So, you know, we didn't really want to put a lot of time and money and do a full service and anything that I didn't think